Hello everyone, I am Atul Morbale and today date is 2 February 2022 and now we have discussed about the dependency injection and inversion of control. So basically dependency injection and inversion of control is the part of spring. So first we discuss about the what is string. So string is the dependency injection framework to make Java uh, application loosely coupled. Spring framework makes the easy development of Java EE applications. Means uh, Java Enterprise Edition applications. Uh, Basically, dependency injection it is a part of design pattern. Suppose now we explain now I will explain the concept of dependency injection and IOC pattern. So suppose there are two classes, class A and class B. Class B is independent to class B, A is independent to class A and class B is dependent to class A. So in class B there are object of class in class B there are object of class A, since class B is the dependent of class A. In core Java we can create an object using new keywords, that is uh, that is uh, we can create an object in class B using a obj a object name equal to new object, that is class A is a tight coupling to uh, class A. Tight coupling means if we create the change in class B, then it is change in class B, then it is also changes in class A. So if we in core Java we can create an object using new keywords, then it will be make a dependent class. But in Spring it is totally different as compared to core Java. In Spring create an object automatically. Uh, we cannot need to create an object. Uh, we cannot need to create an object uh, to another class. That is, string create a class. If we need to create an object of class, then string automatic create an object when we create an path of an class in a UI, then Spring automatically create an object of class level property and class. So it is a dependency, and injection means the create an object in a particular class, that is the dependency injection of Spring. So now we discuss the inversion of control. So in inversion of control we use the some annotations such as at the rate container, etc. So using inversion of control we can specify the object of another class. So using dependency injection and inversion of control, uh, we can create an we cannot need to create an object of another class. Spring create an object automatic, and inversion of control means the object of particular class it specifies using notation automatically. So that is all about the dependency injection and inversion of control in Java, control in advanced Java. So thank you for this video.